This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vioma Lorenzo. Welcome home to this beautiful one-story home in Pinellas Park in the highly desired Bonnie Bay subdivision. This light and bright home offers an open floor plan and 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage off a spacious driveway. Stainless appliances in the open kitchen add the perfect touch to the kitchen you will love. Enjoy your time at home with plenty of living space, as this home offers a family room and a great area too. You won't believe the large fenced-in backyard. This backyard has a comfortable area for seating and relaxing, and the rest is your own blank canvas. Create your very own Florida Oasis and be the one that hosts the family barbecues large. Great for entertaining. Best of all, everything is close. Grocery stores, hardware stores, and restaurants are all within a 5-mile drive. Just a short 7-mile drive to beautiful Reddington Beach, 8 miles to St. John's Boardwalk, and 8 miles to Treasure Island. Come and enjoy the Florida life. Schedule a showing while you can. For more information,